Hi, Nicole Santamaria here, founder of Miami Handwriting and of the Legible Handwriting for Kids program. I'm a pediatric occupational therapist, and I'm going to share some tips right out of my handwriting program that were so helpful to the students that I wanted to share them with you because I know they're going to be so helpful to you. So I have some students going through the Legible Handwriting for Kids program, and this question came up, and I'm going to share it with you guys because it was excellent, and I think it's going to help so many of you. So many times we introduce something new to our kids and we kind of skip to the next step a little bit too soon, and then we wonder, we're seeing some progress, but should we be seeing more progress? And that's exactly what happened to a student of mine, and I'm going to share that with you right now. So this particular student, the mom and the child work together, and the program kind of takes them through a step-by-step process to get that legible, easy to read handwriting. So we start off with words, sentences, and then paragraphs. And there was so much progress between the words, so much progress when we saw the sentences. And then when it came to the paragraphs, we were like, we kind of wanted to see, I kind of wanted to see more progress, especially since there had been, you saw the spacing getting better, you saw the letter size getting better, and most importantly, we saw that it was getting really easy for this young man to complete his writing assignments. And then when we had our meeting and we had our live Q&A, the questions that came up were that they went very quickly from the sentences, since we saw so much progress, you get so excited, you want to move on to the next step, straight to paragraphs. What happens is that part of what we do with the Legible Handwriting for Kids program is we want that fluency piece. So for the fluency piece, we need the accuracy and we need the speed. So if we don't properly build that during the sentence phase, a lot of times when we get to the paragraph phase, we don't see as much progress as we like. So the marching orders were, let's spend more time in sentences before we move on to paragraphs. And in our next follow-up, which was a few weeks after, they slowed down the pace a little bit, and this young man was ready to move to paragraphs, and it felt a lot more comfortable. He felt it was easier for him, that he didn't have to think about it so much. And you guys, that's what we want. We don't want the kids to have to think about it so much. But if we skip steps with them, even as they're older, fourth grade, they get stuck. This is why if you've heard some of my other videos about our preschoolers, I always talk about not skipping steps, because it will show up, it could show up in the future. All right, friends, I hope this tip helps you. Go ahead and click on the link below for more information, and let me know how this helps you.